Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to log in Wells Fargo Equipment Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Wells Fargo Equipment Finance login. Now scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Here on the top navigation bar, you can see your option sign on, click on it. Here you have to type in your company ID, your user ID and your password. So type in your company ID. Now type in your user ID. Now type in your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can click on this link and reset it. And if you are having some trouble logging in, you can click on this link. Now click on sign on, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Wells Fargo Equipment Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below. Thank you.